Is the Google Pixel 5a case worth $29? Let's find out. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. Yeah, you Pixel fanboys, I see you. This is the official Google Pixel 5a case. $29, comes in 4 different colors. I have the black moss color here. You can get it in maybe moon or likely lime and partially pink. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this very nice googly style packaging here. But we do have a pull tab that we can pull here and reveal the case here. Team Pixel, for warranty information, head over there to g.co/device warranty. But almost looks like the same color of the actual, yeah, the not so black or maybe black or kind of black Pixel 5a, but this case feels very premium. It's not soft TPUs, like a hard plastic shell slash soft TPU here on the buttons. You can tell, I don't know, that is soft right here, but everything else is like a hard plastic shell. The inside of the case almost looks like the color of the Pixel 5, but we got a Google branding logo there. Almost looks like the same color. I don't know, let me know. Kind of looks identical to the Pixel 5a color, 5G. Bam. Look at that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and place. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. Feels pretty good. Does not add too much bulk to the profile of your Pixel 5a. I want to say exact same freaking color, and they call it black moss, and they called the Pixel 5a, what did they call the Pixel 5a? Just something black or not so black or maybe black or almost black type of color. You know how Google does it. Anyways, all the cutouts are nice and precise. You do have your headphone jack cutout there, the mic on top. On the bottom you have your speaker mic and charging port. You do have plenty of room there for a extra thick charging cable if you absolutely need to plug in and charge. On the back, the cutout for the fingerprint reader, nice and precise, very easily accessible, no issues there. And you do have the back kind of protruding over that camera lens. I do have a tempered glass screen protector there on that camera lens, and even with that on, we do have a substantial amount of lip protection there. So you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. No issues with scratching those camera lenses. And for the front, we do have some lip protection here on the front. Very, very minimal protection, but I do have a tempered glass screen protector, so that's probably why it's so minimal. But if you didn't have a screen protector, you probably would feel more of a lip there, but you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. No issues there. You do have that cutout there on top for the earpiece, but looking nice, feels nice. The buttons are 100% covered, and are they nice and tactile? Oh, feel very, very good actually. And one thing that I like about this is that the button is off color, almost looking like that Pixel 5 color, and is nice and textured, is rigid, and is also nice and tactile. Very responsive look button there, and it looks absolutely amazing. The case feels good in hand. It's just a matted moss black, green or whatever color. Google branding there, looks good, no issues there. Now we don't wirelessly charge through the case because we don't have wireless charging on the Pixel 5a, but let's go ahead and plug this to see no issues with that. And let's go ahead and Do I even have a headphone I can use? Does this reach out here? I do have a headphone jack here, and no issues with that as well. Look at that. Bam! So there you have it, guys. For $29, are you going to pick up this official Google case for the Pixel 5a 5G? Let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know if you think that's a little bit too steep for a case, but it is an official case. It absolutely feels premium, nothing cheap about this case. Let me know down in the comment section below if you're going to go ahead and pick one up for your Google Pixel 5a. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.